everyone, I'm Siria, and today we're going to talk about the penal system reducing reoffending. From 1997 until 2018, there was a significant decline in numbers of total reconvictions and of numbers of reconvictions per offender. This means people who have been convicted before recommitting crime and being convicted again for this. However, in the past 5-6 years, there's been a small increase of these numbers. Among the most reconvicted, there are individuals with custodial imprisoned sentences, and in particular the ones with shorter sentences, up to 60% in the most recent years. Usually, individuals with short sentences have committed what could be considered less serious crimes. In Scotland, short sentences are sentences of less than 4 years. Evidence such as longitudinal studies and crime statistics suggests that shorter custodial sentences compared to longer ones are less effective in terms of preventing reoffending. Instead, the evidence demonstrates that community-based sentences are more effective in preventing people from reoffending. Individuals who become involved in offending in the first place and then reoffending after that often experience a range of challenges linked to their own circumstances as well as wider societal factors. For example, people involved in offending often experience mental health challenges, substance use issues, homelessness, insecure housing, and unemployment. People's circumstances and wider societal factors can influence reoffending rates when people leave prison. The criminal justice system aims to facilitate rehabilitation and ultimately prevent reoffending through support and activities that an individual can take part to both in prison and/or in the community. Some examples are education, interventions for offending behaviors and addiction, employment, and other types of programs. However, whether or not an individual has access to all this to different levels depends on many factors, including the length of their sentences. The recent COVID-19 pandemic also limited opportunities for individuals, and especially for those in prison. So how and why do people stop offending? Desistance is a term used in this area, which essentially means stopping and refraining from offending. And criminologists in this area have looked into this to understand this process. Theoretical perspectives on this desistance believe that some of the main aspects that influence an individual to reoffend are linked to the physical, biological, and mental effects of aging. That is, people effectively growing out of crime. Other aspects are social bonds, for instance, relationship with their family, educational programs they've taken part in, and employment. The strength and the quality of these social bonds are highly influential in attitudes towards crime. Other theories empathize the former prisoner's sense of self, identity, consideration of others, and motivation to change. To conclude, a key aim of the criminal justice system is ultimately to rehabilitate people who offend and prevent reoffending. However, other public services and socioeconomic factors are also important in helping to prevent reoffending. Lastly, it is important to consider how certain type of punishment, such as imprisonment, might make it harder for individuals to stop offending. For more information on all this, please look at the SCCJR resource titled The Penal System Reducing Offender. Thank you for watching.